All right, so here we have a Trion CD90 dehumidifier that is running right now, and we have it set up in a standalone configuration. So if you were doing this, let's just say you had a finished basement and you wanted to dehumidify just that basement. You could put a grill like this. We have a return air grill over here and a supply register here. Of course, you'd want them farther apart from each other than we have them here in our demonstration. But what we have is a return air grill, 12-inch flex coming around to the back of the dehumidifier. So we are sucking humid air out of the space into this duct, into the dehumidifier. We are drying that air out, and we are blowing that dry air back into the space through the 6-inch here and then out of supply register. So that's one way of doing it for, let's just say, a finished basement where you wanted to do just that basement or just a single room. Another approach would be if you wanted to do your whole home, you could, let's say, put this in a basement or a crawl space, and you could have a grill in the floor over here in one room and a supply register over here maybe in the floor in another room. You of course wouldn't use this type of grill. This is a wall style grill, so you don't really want to have that on the floor. But you could use a floor grill and a floor grill, or if you could get this into a wall, you could have this in one part of the home and the supply register like this in another part of the home, and you could remove the moisture from the entire home using this setup. Now, the one thing that we're not showing you here is the dehumidistat, which you would normally wall mount and preferably put it somewhere near this grill here, because you'd want to sample the humid air in the house, not the dry air which is coming out on this end. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.